How can I reach these kids? We're gonna smell you, Roger. You can do that. Gonna smell. How can I reach these kids? That's my impression of CEO of Illuminati when he started his world domination. How do I reach these kids? Think about how dangerous it would be if all these 18, 19, 20, 21, 22-year-old guys are freaking full of testosterone, strong as a motherfuckers, emotionally charged towards some goal that's against your plans. It goes against your goals. Guess whose ass is in danger then? That's why you gotta reach these kids to have your control. Think about the Mongols, Genghis Khan and motherfuckers. What did they do? They drank that raw milk. They ate that horse meat. And they are way stronger, way more savage, way more wilder than these civilized normies on those grain-based diets that were underneath them geographically. And they just came and fucked everybody's shit up because they were much stronger. Their brains worked better. Their bodies worked better. They were high on testosterone because that's what at least more natural diets do. So, if you wanna enslave everybody, you gotta reach these kids young and teach them things and make things hip and cool. So the cool kids start doing things that don't make young human beings work like human beings should supposed to be working. They put your state of being on a little lower level because if you ramp up your state of being up here, you got knowledge, your freaking body works good, you build different or build like nature wants. Nature could build you. Man, it's pretty easy. The principles, they're so simple how to enslave people. So, just look around. What are the teenagers doing? What are the children doing? Who is influencing them? When does this influence become part of their life, their journey towards freedom or enslavement? Which one is it? What are these influencers that these young people are watching? What are they promoting? How is the physical and mental health of these kids these days? Is it going better than before? Or Or is it looking... Is it looking pretty sickly these days? Which one is it? If a bunch of strong people come together, then they can do a lot. They can do a lot of damage to your plans if they don't want to listen to your ass. So why is the communities breaking, the family structures breaking, the human body is breaking, the human mind is breaking, the human spirit breaking? Why is it so common these days? It's just because these corporations are so evil. They want to make that money. There can't be any master plan behind it. But it is pretty interesting what the Mongols did, if that's even real, because reading about these things that happened 100 years, centuries ago, it's just belief. Who the fuck knows what really happened? But yeah, there seems to be a lot of information about it, you know. These guys living more natural lives, they were still strong human beings, not brainwashed by these religious moralities and things. And then they just saw these cosmopolitan cities where people were eating grain sludge, becoming weak human beings, and it was easy picking for them because they got that raw dairy, horse meat, wild animals power. That's pretty well known. Then they captured these cities. They maybe started to live in these cities, some of the people. And then a couple generations ago, and the brainwashing, they start to forget about this knowledge. And then they become weak again, and then some new group of people comes and takes your ass. That's pretty natural cycle. Predator prey. Only the strong survive. Is it wickedness? Or is it weakness? You decide. Man, smelly ass raw chicken, but it's pretty good. Ready to conquer the Matrix now. Just another day in the Matrix. We're making shit happen. I want some horse meat. Guess we'll get some horse meat in Finland. But what about horse milk? Never had that before. That's that. You got that King is Kong energy after that. ready to rape and pillage 100 villages and women. Namaste, motherfuckers. Hope you have a good one.